Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 17th of July. The euro recorded gains against most of its major counterparts as the sizable selling pressure witnessed over the past few days lessened. The IMF released its mid-year report where it reduced the global growth forecast for 2013 to 3.9% from 4.1%. This included a 0.2% downward revision to 0.7% for the eurozone. The report presented positive growth estimates for Germany and France, offset by contractions in Italy and Spain. German ZOO Economic Sentiment Index, due today at 9 GMT, will capture investors' attention as it is a leading indicator of Germany's economic health. Versus the US dollar, the single currency rose to 122.65 from 122.45. The US dollar produced losses as the disappointing retail sales figures heightened additional quantitative easing speculation. Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke is due to testify today at 1400 GMT before the Senate Banking Committee, and market participants are expected to closely monitor every word. Versus the Japanese yen, the greenback dropped to 78.83 from 79.18. Looking at commodities, oil prices rose to $87.79 a barrel from $86.75. Gold remained flat at around $1,590 an ounce. Against the euro, gold dropped to €1,295.05 from €1,297.51. And silver moved up to $27.36 from $26.97. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 122.45, with a preference to enter into long positions at 122.55. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 79.10, with a preference to enter into short positions at 79.05. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.35, with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.35. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 155.90, with a preference to enter into long positions at 156. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101.85, with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.85. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 87, with a preference to enter into long positions at 87. The gold pivot point is at 1587, with a preference to enter into long positions at 1587. And the silver pivot point is at 2720, with a preference to enter into long positions at 2720. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK Consumer Price Index month-on-month for June, forecast to drop by 0.1%. EU ZOO Index Economic Sentiment for July, forecast to drop to -20. US Consumer Price Index month-on-month for June, forecast to remain unchanged at 0%. And the Bank of Canada rate, forecast to leave rates unchanged at 1%. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 0.07%. The DAX was up 0.13%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 0.23%, and the Dow was down 0.39%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.68%, and the Hang Seng was up 1.68%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.